This video goes over the window setting practice problem number 1. So these refer to the X minimum in the window, the X max, the X scale, Y minimum, Y max, and Y scale. I am going to require that you set the scale yourself. And we want the scale to be between 5 and 10% of the distance across the whole window. So this first function is f of x equals x squared minus 8x plus 89. So this is a quadratic function. It will graph as an upward-facing parabola. So we'll go put that into a function page, x squared minus 8x plus 89. I don't see anything. So that's because we're moved over to the right and moved up vertically. The really cool way to figure out where the vertex of this thing is to add a calculator page. We're going to go to the catalog and find complete square. So to use this function, we're going to put in an expression or an equation, comma, then the variable. So I'm going to hit enter to put that into the screen, var for variables, and we have our expression saved in f1 of x. We're going to get out of that inside parentheses, comma, x is the variable. So this doesn't have a y or f of x equals, but this is in vertex form. So the center of the vertex of our parabola is at positive 4, 73. I'm going to go back to the graph, menu, 4 for window slant zoom, 1 for window settings. I just want to move this 4 to the right, so I'm going to add 4 to both the X-min and X-max. And then I'm going to change from auto to the tick marks every 1. I'm 20 across, so 5% is 1. And then I like to see the x-axis normally, so I'm going to go -1. Then if I do 10 plus 73, I'm at 83. If I double that, I'm at like 166. So let's go to 170. And that distance is 18. So I want to be between 10, 5 and 10%. So I'm going to make this 10. So I have a nice window here. My vertex is about in the middle. Then to fill this in, I'm going to go menu 4, 1, and there's my window. And I'm going to fill that in. -6 to positive 14. Scale is 1. You have to do the scale. -10 to 170 by 10s. You have to do the scale. And that concludes this video.